This is the Heal at Home series using natural ingredients and home remedies to heal. At home, make your own cough syrup at home to remove mucus and ease congestion. Use with the skin for best results. Onions are natural expectorant. Helps for bronchitis, flu, cold, and helps to remove mucus. Pure honey for best results. Cloves helps with respiration. My 8-year-old son had a nagging cough and sore chest, so I made this for him. Try it and let me know how it works for you. Share with others and follow for more because